Plus two friends, we continue solving questions in exercise 6.1 in application of derivatives in your NCERT text. Consider this question, question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall? Here is a wall, a ladder of length 5 meters is leaning against that wall. The foot of the ladder is pulled away from the wall. Automatically, the height of the top portion touching the wall will be getting decreased. The question is, if the rate of moving of the bottom is given to be 2 centimeters per second, how fast is the height on the wall decreasing? That is the question. First, we shall formulate a relation between the distance of the bottom from the wall and height of the top of the ladder on the wall. Let the distance from the wall be x and the height of the top be y, and here the angle is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square will be square of this length, that is 25. We shall differentiate this. 2x plus 2y dy by dx will be equal to 0. Differentiating with respect to x. We are differentiating the expression x square plus y square equals 25 with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y, and we need to get the derivative with respect to x. Therefore, it should be multiplied by dy by dx. Equals derivative of a constant is 0. Or x plus y dy by dx equals 0. Or y dy by dx equals negative x, or dy by dx will be equal to negative x by y. You are asked to find out the derivative of the height with respect to how fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. dv by dt at x equals 4. Now, dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt. dy by dx is minus x by y. dx by dt is given to be 2. We want to obtain the rate at x equals 4. That is equal to negative of 4 by, when x equals 4, when you put x equals 4, y will be 3. How? X square plus y square is equal to 25. When you put x equals 4, 4 square plus y square is equal to 25, or y square is equal to 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. Y is equal to root 9, that is 3. Therefore, negative 4 by 3 into 2, and the answer is negative 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Why that negative side? Because the height is getting decreased when the bottom of the ladder is moved away from the wall. Once again, we first formulated an equation connecting the distance of the bottom of the ladder from the wall and the height of the door. It is given by x square plus y square equals 25. Then differentiated, and we got a result for dy by dx as negative x by y. And we are asked to find the rate of change of height with respect to time. That is dy by dt and dy by dt at x equals 4. Therefore, dy by dt at x equals 4 is to be found out. We shall find out what is dy by dt. Dy by dt is dy by dx multiplied by dx by dt. Dy by dx is calculated to be negative of x by y. And dx by dt is given to be 2 centimeter per second. It is given. Now, at x equals 4, we can write 4 as the numerator. Then what about y? When x is equal to 4, y will be 3. Then negative 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 gives the value negative 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Right.